Hello everyone, this is Lady T here from Design to a T. Today I am organizing my Tupperware drawer. This happens to be part 3 of my kitchen series. So yes, there is a part 1 and a part 2. Part 1 is my under sink organization, and then part 2 is my drawers with silverware and spices organization as well. And so those videos will be listed in my description box below. So guys, what you're looking at now is my Tupperware drawer. And as you can see, I have bottoms, I have mixed colored tops, and I have, some other items in the drawer as well. This is not the only area that I have Tupperware, so I'm going to be showing you my pantry, which is a hot mess. But right now I'm showing you that I have extra Tupperware located in my pantry as well. So I have Tupperware everywhere, guys. And so what I need to do is go through everything that I have as far as my Tupperware is concerned, making sure that I have bottoms that match the tops that match the bottoms. And to be quite honest, guys, I think I have maybe 3 sets of different types of Tupperware here. I have Lock and Lock, I have Rubbermaid, and then I have some other name brands in here. So I need to go through everything and be able to, decipher whether or not I'm going to keep some and give away others, and then move on from there. So folks, this is the container and lid organizer that I am using on today. This is just one of the items I'm going to be using in this drawer. I purchased this from Amazon, and what I love about it is that it has, you can customize it to fit your way of organizing. So guys, these are all of the bottoms and the tops that I have. As you can see, I had a lot of Tupperware. Not just Tupperware, but also lids to bottles and, traveling bottles and things like that. So what I'm showing you here are some of the extras that I had. Did not realize I had so many. And I'm going to go through them all, decide on what I'm going to do with the extras, and then we're going to move right along and organize my Tupperware drawer. So guys, after going through all of my Tupperware, I have decided to give away these items that you see here. I'm going to start organizing this drawer with the container and lid organizer. I'm going to customize by trial and error. We're going to see what we come up with, the items that I have. And as you can see, I can't close the drawer, so I'm going to have to try to come up with another solution. So guys, I came up with another solution for the lids. This happens to be a dish rack, and so I'm going to use this in the drawer, and it happens to fit, thank goodness. So I'm going to put the lids inside of the rack. This dish rack can also be used for pots as well. So I'm not sure exactly what you would call this. I'm going to look it up, and then I'm going to put it in the description box below, and hopefully this tip helps. So folks, I realized that the larger lids were not going to fit upright, so I decided to lay them down instead and use the smaller lids for the dish rack. guys, after working with this drawer, this is what I finally came up with. I'm so glad that I've gone through all of my Tupperware, and this is what I have left. And so I know what I have and what I don't need. And so this worked out very well. As you can tell, I don't just have my Tupperware in this drawer. There are some other items, as you know, my mandolin, my measuring cups, and measuring spoons and things like that I keep in here for now. I don't know if I'm going to keep them in here. I had some extra space, so I just placed them in here for now. And so if you have enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, guys, and also don't forget to leave a comment below. And if you happen to be new here, thank you so much for stopping by my channel. I'm so glad to have had you here on today. If you have enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe and also hit the notification bell twice so that you are notified every time I upload a video. Again, folks, thanks so much for being here with me on today. I hope that this has motivated you to help get your Tupperware drawer organized as well. So guys, I just want to remind you that there is a part 4. I will be organizing a small pantry. Have a great day and have a great week. God bless.